Hey there, fellow RC enthusiasts. Welcome back to RRC Remote Adventures, your go-to channel for all things RC related. I'm Michael Rice, and today we've got something truly special to share with you. Introducing the team-associated SR10M Dirt Oval Team Kit. If you're a fan of street stock dirt oval racing, then this 1/10th scale RC car is about to become your new obsession. Now, dirt track racing might not always get the spotlight, but let me tell you, it's one of the most exhilarating forms of racing out there. Picture this: the smell of dirt and clay in the air, the roar of engines, and the adrenaline rush as cars tear around the oval track. It's an experience like no other, and now you can bring that excitement to your own backyard with the SR10M. This bad boy is packed with features designed to dominate the dirt oval. From the fully adjustable suspension to the rugged steel turnbuckles for precise camber adjustments, every aspect of the SR10M is engineered for performance. Plus, with updates like the mid-motor rear carbon fiber shock tower and the new carbon fiber chassis side braces, this kit is ready to take on any challenge you throw its way. And the best part? Whether you're a seasoned racer or just looking to have some fun, the SR10M is perfect for racers of all skill levels. With its durable construction and reliability, you'll spend less time in the pits and more time tearing up the track. So what are you waiting for? Join the Dirt Oval Racing Revolution and get behind the wheel of the team-associated SR10M Dirt Oval Team Kit today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more fresh RC content every week. And as always, drop a comment down below to let us know what you think.